Namaste, this is Ramesh Babu from Varmakalpa Regeneration Center, Bangalore, the Varma Research Center. We are just recording this episode to really help the parents of autistic kids to treat themselves at home. And there are two sessions. One is a doctors-based session, one is a parent-based session. We are recording only the parent-based session where parents can handle and day-to-day life. And again, 15 days once or weekly once, you have to go to the doctor and handle it, because there will be a Varma doctors where they can help you to treat your kid. So what you can do in your day-to-day life for the kids. For an example, for saliva secretion, so much of saliva secretion, salivation, you can do a O2 Varma. All that I will be giving a protocol where the following video you will be seeing that, following session you will be seeing that how this will work. The O2 Varma, if you do it for some time, salivation, excess salivation will stop. So let's see how this goes. But don't do high pressure. Don't give pressure too much onto that. It's a gentle like massage type of movement you can give, very gentle and very simple. And the second thing is that do it between a sunrise to sunset. Now don't do after that. Do it when child is awake, don't do when the child is sleeping. And the main thing is that there will be a diet strictly followed for these children. There are two diets. One is that no sour taste. No sour taste means no imli, no tomato, no dosa, no idlis, any fermented is not given to him till the treatment gets over. And at least minimum is 45 days, maximum we will not know. So this is the one to be taken care. Another one more is that no milk and milk products. These two have to be followed when you are doing this Varma, which is more important for you. So let's see how to do. I separated this into 4 sessions. One is that what do you stimulate on the head, and what do you stimulate between the neck and the umbilical, and backside of the body, and below the navel. So we have separated the 4, and also the lower limbs. So this will do session by session what parents has to do. I will be mentioning Varma names. It's not mandatory people has to remember the Varma names, but mandatory is to follow the protocol. Thank you. This is K. Shashidharan, student of 11th. He volunteered for us. Thanks for him to show this demo. So he is the boy of dedicated himself for this particular demo, and it's a blessing of God and all siddhas, and God bless him. So I am going to demonstrate all these Varma points on him for just as a demo purpose. This is not a real therapy, because you need to have a patient of autistic to treat this. But I am here just showing a demo on him so that you all will know how to do that. Normally this is in the sitting portion, but autistic kids sitting straight for a longer time is not a joke. So if they don't sit like this, so simple technique. There are 2 Varma points, make them to sedate. One is called this O2 Varma. See, if you do like this, they slowly become convinced, because many of this, we go to mall, your kid asks something big which is too costly, you don't have fund for that separately. So what we'll do, I'll get it next time, you automatically do this by nature. These points convince them to make them to sit for some time. And also one more is this called Nema Varma here, the mid forehead, where you do this for sometimes, they won't allow you, they won't allow to touch you any of these spots normally. But if parents normally, the mother, if he allows, do like this, will get convinced. Or do like this. This is Sirungoli Varma, so they get convinced. This is a technique to make him to sit, not to treat. So once he sit, then we'll start the treatment now. So first we'll start with what Varma?
Nema Varma.
Nema Varma. Nema Varma is here only. After he sits, again to sedate him for a little more time. The Nema Varma is nothing but mid forehead. Just do it little gently, very gently. I am not giving any pressure. Mid 3 fingers on this support and doing very gently. How much time you want to do it? Still you feel more comfortable. Your breath will come like that, is he convinced. Like his breath will show. So his breath, if you see, his breath will be normal, and his breath will be towards his left side if you can see. So still that you keep on doing that. Or otherwise do it for 5 to 10 rounds if you want really a count. Then what Varma?
Poigai Varma.
Poigai Varma is just above the ears. Both the sides, just above the ears. Here also I am using mid 3 fingers and relaxedly massaging this point. This Varma is more supportive for recollecting and making the brain oxygen supply more, or recollecting knowledge will be more, so that it will work for the kids to really activate their brain. It's toning the brain. I can say it tones the brain. Next.
Kondaikolli Varmam.
Kondaikolli Varmam is a Uchi Varmam or Kondaikolli Varmam or Padappu Varmam. So many names is there. When the child born, if you touch this place, you will see the pulse here. So that's called Padappu Varmam. So this is very dangerous point where you don't tap or anything. Just what you can do, use the 3 fingers. Normally you do like this. Or if at all you want to do, you are more of spiritual or any, if you are any community, you will have your own chanting mantras or some practice you do. After you do like namas, after the church mass or going to the temple, finish the puja, come and always first you have to do is that come out and go to him and do like this. Or you close the hand like this, keep it here above the Sagasara and do like this. So all your chanting and all the mantras goes here and really made him to be calm and silent. That really works. This is all Uchi Varmam or Kondaikolli Varmam. Next.
Seerunkolli Varmam.
Seerunkolli Varmam is behind him. It's here. See, this is the place he has Seerunkolli Varmam. This is called anger point. What is anger point? If anyone taps here, you get anger. But these people normally, artistics are little, they don't know how to show anything or they cannot talk. Everything they show anger and ask. If they want something, if you don't understand, think like you close your mouth, like Maunavarta for 5 days. And be in the house and you want to do all the work done. You will go into that state of what he is going through. Because you don't know how to ask, because you can't use your mouth, but you have to do to express your feeling, then you get into anger after a particular time. That's what they have. So in that case, what you do, just apply your massage, use the full palm and apply, gentle massage here. That will convince him, telling that okay, let it go. Because you don't understand still, but at least you convince them, alright, let it go. That is one, it works out. Next.
Ottu Varmam.
Ottu Varmam is, that's what initially I told. This is a Ottu Varmam here. Okay, Ottu Varmam is here. Other Varmam there is called Kona Varmam. The Kona Varmam is in this edge. See, jaw up is a Kona Varmam and the edge is the Ottu Varmam. Normally we do is that from the ears we do like this. See, like this. See, Kona Varmam is the scissors are shivering you have. You have to press this part. Normally these people keep their body very tight and they hit their head or they hit something or they will bite or lot of they do something whenever they go into a particular state of when people don't understand or they want to express what they want. They get into that stage. That will make them more stiffness. Then they'll get sometimes seizures or even epilepsy like thing like. For them what you can do, this Kona Janni Kandal Tamil. So this Varmam. And also parallelly you can stimulate this Ottu Varmam so that one is their body will become cool and other is that also they convinced. So both will happen at the simultaneously. Next.
Sevikundri Varmam.
Sevikutri Varmam is here, just this Kurundu, before that there is a Sevikutri Varmam. Use these 3 fingers, keep it here and just do the up and down massage for them. That's it, very simple. There is Sevikutri Varmam here, Sevikutri Adangal here. So you do like this, all the 3 Varmams will wonderfully work. Then.
Kutri Kalam.
Kutri Kalam, there are 3 Varmams here, ENT Varmam we call it as. Porchai, okay, Porchai Varmam is here and below this another Varmam is here called Kutri Varmam, last Varmam is here. It is like, see, from the bottom of the ear, if you come straight here, you see a little dip here on the skull. That point is the Kutri Varmam. What you can do, use these 2 fingers, press it here and just do a little massage, gentle massage like a rolling massage. Any way, clockwise or anti-clockwise, just do the little gentle massage. And this will be supporting his forehead because when you push it, the head will go front. So support, use the support always. The body should not be pressed against him. Instead of that, take a support. Yeah.
Vilangu Varmam.
Vilangu Varmam is in this collarbone tip. So this, what it does, that hyperactivity. They cannot sit for some time, not in control, going beyond the control. Vilangu Varmam can be used. This Vilangu Varmam, you see, if you see a National Geography and other channel, every animal, what it does means, the another animal when it attacks, this first take the hand and lock that particular place, then the another animal cannot move. This will arrest him. You will have little pain, but you will come out of the pain after some time. But if you see the pain, you will aggravate. Sometimes it's not good to aggravate him because he will disturb his mind, will get disturbed and then he will become tired. After so much aggravation, he will go to sleep mode or he will faint. So don't allow that energy loss. So what you can do, just massage. You don't press it like an animal, but you do little gentle massage in the ribbon dip. Yeah, next.
Kadir Kama Varmam. Kutti Varmam,
yeah.
Sakti Varmam.
See, this is a Tumi Varmam or Sumai Varmam. Below that, 1.5 year, you see Kadir Kama Varmam. Activate the heat of Kama. These kids need that because that activates your Mooladhara energy. So this point is more Kadir means heat. Kama means Kama heat. That is more here. That's why we have a Mangala in such a way that these are all will touch by that. So this Varmam you stimulate with gentle pressure here, just rolling like this. Then below that, what is there?
Buddhi Varmam.
Buddhi Varmam. 2 points are here. Buddhi Varmam. This like small diamond. So like this it goes. So what you do? If you do little wider round of this, all the 3 will be stimulated, and this activates his Buddhi. This gives a proper Shakti, channelized Shakti. They have wonderful Shakti, but they you know lose the Shakti by doing lot of things. It's not that channelizing the Shakti will happen here. Shakti, Buddhi and Kama, Kadir Kama will activate his Mooladhara energy, because this problem is just because of his Mooladhara is very weak and channelization is not there. Everything they will have, but they don't know how to channelize it.
Adappa Kalam.
Adappa Kalam is here. See in the center, there will be a dip here, or rib bone junction here. Just go side. This is called Adappa Kalam. So in the Adappa Kalam, one is you can roll like this, or sideways you can keep it and move like this. See, this is one technique, or you can roll like this. This is Adappa. Adappa will kill his emotional level and balance his emotional level. Adappa means attic. In villages we will have attic. All long ago, so long ago, somebody is talking too much. All these are stored there only. In the house we have attic, all old things to put. In our body, this is the attic, where our long ago story remembers. So somebody knows too much talk about that day. Better you do this one. They forget that day and they come to today. Next.
Anna Kalam.
Anna Kalam is nothing but a navel. But here the navel will make him to sleep, and then we will do. And I will show you how to do the Anna Kalam. Anna Kalam is when he is sleeping. I will show now, if that will be easy for me. Take these 3 fingers, keep down this navel, but he should be lying down. So keep this finger, and any hand, one hand you can use, another hand you just press it like this. 1, 2 and 3. Okay? That will activate the Anna Kalam. This is an highest energy, because this is energy where you do an astral travel and other things. Highest energy points here. If this is activated, this will take care of even a pull energy and a push energy where the Anna Kalam is there. That's why Tai Chi and Qigong, the energy center is more of a name.
Kilimegha Varmam.
Kilimegha Varmam is behind. This is the Kilimegha Varmam. C7, the bone C7, the prominent bone behind him is the Kilimegha Varmam. So take this finger and see, it's a finger. I say if your finger is very dry, or you have some rough hand, don't use it, because that will create a burning sensation. In that case, use any oil, especially Vata oil. Apply an oil, little heated oil, and then touch and apply it. And not only that, this also prevent you from the dosha. Next.
Sadayanda Varmam.
Sadayanda Varmam is nothing but tying a thread around your navel. This is more powerful one, because you see Muruga will have it, and Ganapati, Ganesha will have it, and many of these people will have this something, and even Egyptians will have a dress code such a way that they will have a rope here. The churches, fathers will have a rope here. Everywhere you see there is a rope here. You go to Mecca, that dress code will have a rope here. So all that way I have a rope here. That rope gives a lot of energy to you, and that energy these people wanted.
Nattalu Varmam.
Nattalu Varmam is Nadu L, the center bone in the spinal cord. When you see, almost like if you see Nair Varmam, there is a just backside is here, little down. You can see this is called Nattalu Varmam. How to stimulate is light pressure and push it up. Light, gentle pressure and push it up. If it's a child, don't do it. Just do it like this. If it is adolescent, then you can do thumb and little pressure and up. Not pressing, just see, gentle pressure. See. That's it. Not pressing too much, gentle pressure. Yeah.
Vayu Kalam.
Vayu Kalam. As per Varma Kannadi, there is only 1 point Vayu Kalam. As per Varma Birangi, we have Erettu 16 Vayu Kalam. Erettu 16 Vayu Kalam. It starts from the thoracic and ends in lumbar. It takes 8 this side, 8 this side. All these points, what you have to do? Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times and just move it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and move it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and move it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and move it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and move it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and move it outward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and move it outward. One is a press and move it outward. One is press and push it upward also again. So there are 2 techniques of stimulation. Both will work wonderfully. It's called Erettu 16 Vayu Kalam. That is 8 side left, right. It's not on the spinal cord. Adjacent to the spine, actually the bones you will be seeing.
Kal Varmam. உப்பு குன்றி காலம்.
Uppu Kutri is here. The tender nerve here. See here. This is the one called Uppu Kutri. If you go straight from this prominent bone, you go here, you'll see the Uppu Kutri. This is called pumping point. What is the pumping point? Energy is flowing in the leg. Normally the energy flows from here, comes like this, and goes like this, and goes and goes and goes and end in this particular Aga Urulai Visay Narabu Mayam. So the energy disturbance, anything happen, you can do, just keep on pressing this, the leg energy will come. Somebody having a rigid leg, these people, these kids are very rigidity, or they could not walk, or whatever it is, are imbalanced, they fall now and then. You know, some people fall and break their face and all these things. This is very good point to activate that energy so that that energy makes them not to fall. Okay, so do like this. This is the gentle varmam you can use. Next,
உள்ளங்கால்.
Ullangal is this. Ullangal Vellai. See, there is a junction joining here. Okay, so that gives little sensitivity. So just press it here. Just press it here. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enough. That will work.
குதிரை முகம் வருமம்.
See, this is called Kudirai Mukha Varma. What is a Kudirai Mukha? See here. I don't have that much muscle. If you see a boxer, a muscular boxer or stout person, this area looks like a horse actually. This muscle and everything looks like horse with that, you know, face. This is called Kudirai Mukha Varmam. Actually, this Varmam is next to that Kudirai Mukha Varmam. See, if this is a Kudirai Mukha Varmam. See here, this is a Kudirai Mukha Varmam. Adjacent, see inside. See this side and this side there are two Varmam points. Pakka Varmangal. This Pakka Varmangal can be activated for these people to relax the leg. To relax the leg means stiffness in the leg can be relaxed for anyone, not only for these people, for anyone. Next. And there are, this is the episode only for the parents to handle. Doctor we are not disclosing here. This thought to only the doctors, because that will have little other consequence where you cannot handle it. So the next episode is to show you how the kids cured will be a feedback for you, not how to treat, because treatment is given to you. You share your feedbacks back to me once they really respond to that, because this system is nothing belongs to me, it belongs to the God himself, so that there is undoubtedly or unquestionably, I can say with not even a single 0.0% doubt in that, it helps, and it helped so many people, and this is documented internationally by many people. This is my small episode will really help the people to save their kids and give them a better future. Thank you. I am signing off. Ramesh Babu.